Once you have your movie edited, you need to export it out so that it can be played without the help of Premiere Pro. So let's do that. The way we're going to do that is we go to File, Export Media, or you can see Command M is a really quick way of doing that for Make a Movie. This will bring up this export settings section. Now by default, it's going to want to export it as a very high quality QuickTime. So high quality that none of our computers will be able to play it. We're not going to want that. What we're going to do is we're going to go and change this over to H.264 right there. This is the format that is used on most YouTube videos and everything else. Most of the cameras that you'll be using, including your iPhone, will be recording in what's known as this codec, which is just basically like a compression format, just like the difference between a JPEG and a TIFF on a image file. We can keep the preset the same. We don't really need to do any comments. And then right here where it says output name, we want to click on that to make sure that we name it properly and we know where it's going. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to by default put it in our kitten countdown, which sounds great. I'm just going to rename this as Project 1. Please make sure when you're exporting this out that you use the naming convention that I've set up for you in the project brief that'll be on our TimeArts website. All right, and then we're just going to hit save here. This isn't done. You've just saved the output name. We need to actually export it. And we can do that by clicking right here where it says export. Depending on the speed of your computer and the length of the clip, it will export in a couple seconds or a few minutes. If it goes way too long, you might want to check to make sure that you haven't accidentally set up the project too large for everything we're going to do in this class. Once it's done, it'll come back to your piece. You always want to go and check to make sure that the video is working for you. There's TimeArts, Kitten Countdown, and there's Project 1. Double click and play it once before you submit it, just to make sure there wasn't any problems that were set. And there we go. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and good luck in your edit.